Before you listen to the rest of these sound effects, I have to let you know that if you click the link in the description, you can download all these sounds for free. Also, we did not create these sound effects, but we've collected these because we've used these in our videos and we wanted to share them with you. So drop a like and subscribe to Think Media for the best tips and tools for growing your YouTube channel. Let's get into the rest of the sound effects. Thanks for watching this video. Now, I know you're gonna love this next video. It's the best royalty-free music on YouTube. You can click on the screen right now to watch it, and I'll see you in the next video.